Hello and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to design this simple model from StudyCADCAM site as a practical exercise in FreeCAD. If you like the content I have been producing, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to donate to the channel you can do so accessing Ko-fi site. Link to this page can be found on the description of this video. Thank you. Create a new document, so we click in this plus icon and now select part design here. And now create a new body and a new sketch in XY plane. And what we'll draw in this first sketch here is to draw a sketch for this face here. Okay, so here we go to this document, and first here we select this line tool and we draw this vertical line in this way. And next we draw this vertical line, and now this vertical line here. And now we have to select this arc tool and we create an arc in these points here, and now a second arc in this point, and now this arc here. Okay, and now we set equal for these two arcs here. Here in this drawing page we can see that this arc here and this arc have the same radius, 12. Okay, and now here we select this tangent constraint and we set tangent for this arc and this line here. And now these two lines you set tangent, and this arc here and this line tangent, and now these two arcs tangent. And now we set these two lines vertical. Okay, and here we can drag this point here and this point, and now we'll set the dimension of these lines and the arcs here. So we come back to this drawing page, and here first we see a length of 10 for this line, a radius of 6 for this arc here, and 12 for these arcs here. So here we select this vertical distance tool and we set 10 millimeters for this line, and now we set a radius of 6 for this arc here, and for these two arcs we set 12. Okay, and now we have this. Okay, and we can set the vertical dimensions. So here we have 38. So we select this vertical distance tool and we select this point, and now this point here, and we set this dimension. And next here we have 40. So what to do is to select this point and now this point and set 40. And now we'll mirror this sketch here. So what to do is to select all of these elements and now select this vertical line and click in this icon. And as you can see, now we have this sketch here. So next we select this line tool and we connect these 2 points here, and now we draw a line in these 2 points. Okay, and next we select this submerge constraint and we set these 2 points submerged to this vertical line. Okay, and here we have to constrain this point here, vertical constraint, and now we'll set equal constraints here. So this line here must be equal to this line. Okay, and these two lines equal. Okay, and now we have 3 degrees of freedom. So here we can set the length of this line here and this line, and the length between these two lines here. So here we go to this drawing page, and first here we see 150. Okay, so we select this tool here and we set 150 for this line, and for this line here we'll set 90. Okay, and the distance between this point here to this point. Okay, here we're having these problems. So what you'll do, okay, so here we set symmetric constraint here. We select these 2 points and now this vertical line. And now let's see the dimension of this distance here. We have 108 is correct, is this distance here. So we click cancel and now we can leave the sketch. And next press home and go to this pad tool. And here the length of this pad operation will be 10 millimeters. So we set OK, and next we select this face here and we create a new sketch. In this sketch here, we'll create a sketch for this face here. So here first we select this external geometry tool and we extract this edge here. And now select this polyline tool and draw a line in this edge here. And now this horizontal line and this vertical line. And next this horizontal line here and now this vertical line. Okay, and now we select this fillet tool and we make a fillet in these 2 lines and now a fillet in these 2 lines. Okay, and here we can see a radius of 6 for this arc here, 12 for this arc and 3 for this arc here. So we select this tool and we set 12 for this arc and 3 millimeters for this arc here and 6 for this arc. Okay, and now we select this arc tool and we draw this arc. Okay, and next here we select this sketch and this vertical line and we go to this tool here and now we have the sketch mirrored. So we set these 2 points constant. No, we set tangent and now this line and this arc tangent. Okay, and now here we'll set the equal constraint. So we select this constraint here and we set equal here. And now these 2 lines equal and these 2 lines equal. Okay, and now we'll set the dimension of this sketch here. So here first we see this dimension 60. So we select this vertical distance tool and now this center point and this point here and we set 6. Okay, and next here we see 90. So we select this horizontal distance tool and now these 2 points and we set 90 millimeters. And now we have 5 degrees of freedom. So next here we see this distance 35. So we select this vertical distance tool and here we'll set these dimensions here. So what to do is to select this point and now this point and we set 35. Okay, and next we'll constrain the radius of this arc here. So here will be the half of this dimension. So we set 25. Okay, and now we have 3 degrees of freedom. So okay, this line here must be vertical. And now select this line tool here and draw a line here in these 2 points. And now we can extract this edge here and set constant in these 2 points. Okay, and now we have 1 degree of freedom. So what we'll do here is to set a symmetric constraint. Let's try that. Select this tool here and now these 2 points and now this vertical line and now the sketch is constrained, so we leave the sketch and we go to pad tool, and here we'll set up the length here will be 35 minus 10 millimeters, this dimension here. So here we'll set 25. Okay, and now we have this, and next here we'll create this cylinder here. So we select this face again and create a new sketch, and now we select this tool and extract this edge here, and now draw a cycle in the center point, and now click here and leave the sketch. And next we go to pad tool, and the length here will be 10. So here we set OK, and next here we'll draw a sketch for this face here. So what to do here is to select this face and now create a new sketch. Okay, and here we extract this edge, and now press home and extract this edge here, and now click in this view, and now we'll switch to section view, and next we'll draw the sketch here. So we select this polyline tool and now click in this point and draw this, and now press M 3 times and you get this arc here, and now press M 2 times, press M 2 times, okay, and now 3 times and click in this point here, and now we select this tangent constraint and we set tangent in these two lines. Okay, and next we select this line here and we draw this line, and next select this point here and this point and draw this line here, and now this line here will be a construction line. So we click in this icon, and you can see that the color of this line here changed. So now we'll set the dimension of this sketch here. So we go to this drawing page, and here we see 56. So we select this vertical distance tool and we set 56 for this distance here, and now the radius of this arc will be the half of this dimension, 38. So we'll divide. So okay, here we get a radius of 19, and the radius of this arc here is 25. Okay, and next we have to set these horizontal dimensions here. So we select this horizontal distance tool, and now this point and this center point, and as you can see here we'll set 28, and now we select here and this point, and here we'll set the 3. Okay, and now here we select this parallel constraint and we set these two lines parallel, and now this sketch is full constrained, so we leave this sketch and we go to the pad tool, and first here we set this option reversed, and the length here will be 10 millimeters, so we set OK, and next you select this face and you create a new sketch, and now here we extract this edge, and here we'll draw another cycle. So we select this cycle tool and click in this point and now this point, and leave the sketch, and next we'll change the attachment of the sketch here. So we select the sketch and then click on the mouse and go to attachment editor, and here we'll change the value of the duration. Okay, so here we'll set 5. We change here to 5. No, must be -5. So as you can see, the sketch now is attached to the center of this face. So now we go now we select this face and we go to the path tool and we set symmetric to plane, and the length here will set, okay, here we don't have, we can set this dimension here. So here we have 96 and 64. So here we'll set this formula, 96 minus 64 divided by 2, and now we get this. So we click OK, and next we select this path and this path operation here, and we go to this tool here, and here we change the plane to this plane here, YZ plane, and now we get this, and set OK now and press home. And next what we'll do is to create these walls here. So we select this face and create a new sketch. Okay, and we can switch to section view and now select the cycle tool and we draw the cycle. We set the diameter of the cycle to, okay, here in the top view we see 10 millimeters, so we set 10. Okay, and here we see this distance 23, so we select this vertical distance tool and now these 2 points and we set 23. Okay, and now we'll mirror this cycle, so we'll select this cycle and now this vertical line and now this tool here and we get the cycle. Okay, and now we set a symmetric constraint between these 2 points and this vertical line. Okay, and next we'll set the horizontal distance here, so we select this tool and now these 2 points and we'll set, here we see 126. Okay, so now leave the sketch and we'll create a pocket here. We set through goal and okay, and now we have these walls. And next we select this face here and we go to this wall tool, and what we'll do here is we'll change the diameter here to 20 millimeters. So here we set 20 and here we set through goal, so now we get the hole in this part 2, so we click OK. And what we'll do next is to create this wall and this pocket here. So we select this face and create a new sketch in this face, and now we extract this edge here and create a cycle in this center point, and we set the diameter of this cycle to 2. Okay, and now here we'll draw a rectangle with a radius of 3. So I select this crescent shape here and I get this rounded rectangle. So here I change this radius to 3 millimeters and I will set this horizontal dimension to 7, but here I will set 7 minus 6. Okay, and I get 64 millimeters, and now I constrain this point here to this vertical line, and now I will set this distance here. So here I will extract this edge. I extract this edge here and I select this point and this point here and I set 10 millimeters. Okay, and leave the sketch and now select pocket tool and here we set through goal and okay. So now we got this wall and this pocket, and next here we have to set this fillet here with a radius of 6. So here first we select this edge and we go to fillet tool, and we change the size here to 6 millimeters. Okay. Okay, but as you can see, this fillet is out, so I go to this fillet and I will change the radius here to maybe 4 millimeters. So okay, now I have this shape, and now I click on this add button and I add this edge here, and I said okay, and now I get this fillet. So as you can see, we finished the design of this model. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and